proof. Fucking proof. Fucking proof that Scott is a little man who cannot and will not move on from our past. Can you go open this? It was 3 fucking years ago, dude! You fucked up! I forgive you! I just know him, like I know why he's not texting back. He's so immature and like he gets in his head. And I know like how he's thinking, how he's like, fuck, like I made bad life decisions, now I can't afford my own Hamptons house. Shell's a super alpha, makes good financial decisions, is generous enough to offer me a room in her house. But like, what will that mean if my ex is supporting me? Like, am I still a man? Like, do I have to go on Viagra? Oh God, I just shit myself. Yes, Scott, you did just shit yourself. And I can't clean up your mess. But I do have an eco-friendly cloth diaper, and I'm willing to put a clothespin on my nose. Why won't you let me change you?